Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we've got some big news on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So this new information, this new update is actually coming from somebody other than Ice Universe. So we do have a very successful YouTube channel known as Tech Talk TV, and he was able to get some exclusive leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and now we are able to see live photos of the Note 10 from the front, from the back, which is a little bit blurry, and also again from the front at the startup screen. And of course the biggest update, the biggest change here actually is reflected right on the first startup screen. So far, we have thought we're going to have two models that were going to be named the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro, but that has now changed. Now what we have is, we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10, such as the Samsung Galaxy S10, and then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note Plus. Okay, so just like the S10 Plus, so they have actually kept the naming convention that they've been using for a while now, which I think is a good move from Samsung. So as far as naming is concerned, there's not going to be a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro, but we're going to have a Samsung Galaxy Note Plus. So that's fantastic news. And of course, let's take a look at these images right over here. So if you do flip the back of the Note 10 Plus, you do see the vertical camera layout that is left justified. And of course, you do see a flash, and the picture is a little bit too blurry to make out the fourth time of flight camera that is going to be under the flash. And of course, there's supposed to be a heart rate sensor on the Plus model, but we're not sure about that as well because the picture is too blurry. However, again, we do have leaks from OnLeaks previously that does confirm that those things exist on the larger Plus model. And of course, if you look at the actual device on the front, again, nothing we did not know, but it's just nice to see these things live on somebody's hand. So if you look at this smartphone right over here, you'll notice again on the top, in the middle, we've got the center hole cutout, which is different from the S10, S10 Plus, and the S10e. They're all right justified. This has been gone to the middle, which is great. We do have extremely thin bezels, as we saw from the leaks from Ice Universe, but the chin looks a little bit bigger than what I would see on an iPhone, but it's actually hard to make that distinction. Now remember, Ice Universe said the chin on the Note 10 is going to be the same size as the one on the iPhone XS Max. Okay, so the XS Max does have smaller chin at the bottom, even though the corners of this phone are still thinner than any other phone on the market. So we're not sure about the chin. We'll see what happens when it gets released. It might be the same as the iPhone XS Max, or it might be a little bit bigger, but who cares? I don't really care about the chins that much, as long as they're not humongous. And of course, we don't have a picture of these phones from the bottom or the top, so we cannot verify the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. But again, that's something that's been confirmed by several sources so far. So I'm pretty sure we're not going to have it. If I had to guess based on all the leaks and the sources that I saw, the integrity of these sources are pretty good. So we're going to say that we're not going to have it. But beyond that, that's it. That's a quick update for you guys. We got a picture from the front, back, and the startup screen for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So we're not going to be saying Note 10 Pro anymore. It's going to be Note 10 Plus. Anyway, that was a quick update for you guys. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you do have any information that we have not covered in the video, just drop it down below and let me know. All right, guys? Have a fantastic day for now. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.